Make a selling product banner with Canva by following these simple steps. Start by clicking Create Design and typing Pinterest in the search bar to select the size. Change the background color by clicking on the canvas and selecting your preferred color from the color picker. Next, upload your product photo and drag it onto the design. If needed, use the background remover tool under Edit Image to remove the original background. Go to the text section and click Add a heading. Type a short, impactful word that highlights the product's benefit. Customize the font and color to match your branding. Duplicate the text and arrange the copies to cover the entire product. Select all text layers, click Position, and choose Backward to place the text behind the product. Add a subtitle below the product image to emphasize additional details or features. Finally, click the Share button and download the image in high resolution. Your professional product banner is ready for use.